Having quick and efficient access to your data is crucial for making informed decisions that drive your ASC's success. That's why we're excited to introduce the latest enhancement to HST Data Stream, the Direct BI Tool connection. Now you don't need a data lake or a data warehouse to sync with your center's BI tool. HST Data Stream can connect your HST product data directly from your BI tool to your S3 bucket. Now let's walk through how it all works. The DataStream Direct BI Tool connection uses the Simba Athena connector to allow your BI tool to directly query your S3 bucket. When we combine this new connection with the newly created pre-built PM reports in the HST data stream, it enables us to write simple queries to create business insights. Now, once I've pasted in all of my connection information, I'm ready to sign in to the S3 bucket using the Simba Athena connector. And now that I've connected my BI tool to DataStream using Athena, I can paste in my query that uses the pre-built ME9002 AR aging report. And after my query completes, I can immediately start working on building the report or dashboard using the Direct BI tool connection. So now that my query is loaded, here I started creating a quick report that aggregates our existing accounts receivable by age days bucket. So now each night when DataStream refreshes, we'll be able to see the updates in our BI tools dashboard the next morning.